To solve this problem, initially we set source equal to 5 and cost to all other nodes is infinite. Here we can see my source is 5 and cost to all other nodes is infinite. In our problem, source is given 1. That means we need to find out the shortest path from 1 to all other node. So first we are taking 1. From 1 to 1 there is no cost, so cost is 0. Now from 1 to 2 there is a directed node, the cost is 50. 1 is also directly connected with 3, cost is 45. And 1 is also connected with 4, cost is 10. Now 1 is not connected with 5, either 6, so that's why their cost is infinite. Now here we can see 4 has the minimum cost destination. That means we should add 4 in our path. Now here 4 is directly connected with 5 as well as 1. So cost of other nodes might be changed based on this equation. That means if there is already existed a cost, suppose 1 to 1, cost is 0, and now there is another path 1 to 4 and 4 to 1, so cost is 30. We will always choose minimum cost because our problem is to find out the shortest path. So this is explained in this equation. We will find out the minimum cost either directly given in the previously, or we find out the new path via u. Here our u is 4. So from 4, 5 is connected. 5 is not, earlier cost of 5 is infinite. Now cost of 4 to 5 cost is 15 and cost up to 4 is 10. So cost up to 5 is 25. Remaining would be infinite. Now 4 is also connected with 1, cost is 30. 30 is much larger than 0, so it remains the same. 50, 45, 10. Now this is change. Now here, after taking 4 into the consideration, minimum cost destination is 5. So we will take now 5 into consideration. 1, 4, 5. Now 5 is directly connected with 3 and 2. To 3, cost would be added by 35. That means 25 plus 35, that is 60, and earlier cost is 45. So we won't change anything. It remains as it is. Now 5 is also connected with 2. Now cost would be added by 20. 25 plus 20, that is 45, and earlier cost of 2 is 50, which is changed. Now we are getting the minimum cost. So now this would be changed to 45. Fine. And 0 can't be changed. 6 is connected with 5, but there is no outer edge from 5 to 6. There is only edge from 6 to 5. That's why it is again remain the infinite. Now after this, the minimum one is 2 and 3. We can add either 2 or 3. Now I am adding 2. 2 is connected with 3 and 2 is connected with 4 and 2 is not connected with anything else. So from 2, cost of 4 would be 50 plus 15, that is 65, and cost to 3, that is 50 plus 10, it would be 60. But 60 is greater than 45 and 50 plus 15, 65 is greater than 10. So nothing will be changed. That is 0, 45, 45, 10, 25, infinite. Fine. Now remaining node is only 3, so we will add 1, 1, 4, 5, 2, 3, and 3 is directly connected. Nothing will be changed now because we already added all the nodes. 6 is not connected with anyone. That means there is no inner edge to 6. That's why the cost would be remain infinite always. From this matrix, we can find out the path. We need to know, our problem is to find out the shortest path. We have not calculated the shortest path. This matrix is giving us just the minimum cost to each node, to each destination from source 1. So we are taking 2. For 2, cost is 45. So we are writing 45. Now we can see the cost change when we added 5 in our source set. That means the previous node is 5. Now next node we can take 3. Now 3 minimum cost is again 45. It is never changed. That means it is directly connected with 1. So cost is 45 and it is directly connected with 1. Next node is 4. 4 minimum cost is 10, which is never changed again. So it is directly connected with 1. So 4 cost is 10 and previous node is 1. Now next node is our 5. Now 5 minimum cost is 25 and it is changed when we add 4. So previous node is 4 and cost is 25. So now we can create a path for 3 previous node is 1. So path is 1 to 3. For 4 previous node is 1. So path is 1 to 4. For 5 previous node is 4. So 4 to 5, and we have already seen for 4 which is directly connected with 1. Now for 2 is connected with previous node 5. Now 5 for 5 path is 1 4 5, 1 4 5, and now add 2. So this is the shortest path from 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4 and 1 to 5. Now for 6, cost is always infinite. So there is no previous node, there is no path.